Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. From last two videos, I am discussing the topic SOP and POS. This is my last video on this topic. In this video, I am going to discuss how to derive SOP and POS expression using truth table. Let's revise about SOP and POS expression. When a Boolean expression is represented purely as sum of min terms, it is said to be as canonical sum of product. When a Boolean expression is represented purely as product of max term, it is said to be in canonical product of sum form. It means sum of min terms means canonical sum of product form, and if it is product of max term, it is said to be a canonical product of sum form. Now, to derive SOP expression using truth table, we have to follow these steps. First, for a given expression, prepare a truth table for all the possible combination of inputs. In second, add a new column for min terms and list the min terms for those rows which produces output as 1. Keep in your mind, we have to calculate the min terms of those rows where the output is 1. If the input bit is 0, write complement of corresponding variable. For the min terms, if the input bit is 0, write the complement of corresponding variable. If the input bit is 1, then write corresponding variable in its original form. Now at last, add all the min terms for which there is output as 1. This produces the desired canonical SOP expression. Now, take an example. Find the max term of product form the Boolean function for the Boolean function f x y z and truth table for which is given below. So, the truth table is given and the output for the truth table is also given. Here x y z is the variable and f is the output. Now, answer. As per the rule, we have to add first min term and we have to write the min terms of those rows where the output is 1. So here in this table, the second row is output 1, third row is also the output is 1, fifth row is also output is 1, and at last the 8th row is also output 1. So we have to write the min terms of these rows. For the in second row, I have written the min term x bar y bar z. So 0, x is 0, y is 0. So we have to write the complement variable, and where 1 we have to write the original form. So x, the min term for second row is x complement, y complement and z. In this way we find all the complements of the rows where the output is 1, and adding all the min terms which output is 1, we got the final canonical SOP expression as f is equal to x complement y complement z plus x complement y z complement plus x y complement z complement plus x y z. This is our final SOP expression. Now, to derive POS expression from the truth table, we have follow these steps. First, for a given expression, prepare a truth table for all the possible combination of inputs. Add a new column for max term. In the same way, where we add the new column for the min term, here we add the new column for the max term, and list the max term for those rows which produces output 0. In the POS expression, we have to calculate the max term for those terms where output is 0. In min term it is 1. In the same way, here if the input bit is 1, write the complement of corresponding variable, just opposite the SOP. If the input bit is 0, then write corresponding variable in its original form. Finally, multiply all the max term for which there is output as 0, and this produces the desired canonical POS expression. Now, example, find the product of some POS form for the Boolean function fxyz and truth table for which is given below. Here in this truth table, the function xyz is there and the output is given in f column. Now answer. First of all, we add one column for the max term and we have to calculate max term of those rows where the output is 0, just opposite to SOP. Here the first row, then fourth row, then sixth and seventh row has the output as 0. In the first row, I have written max term x plus y plus z because x is 0, so I have written as the original form. But in SOP for the s we have taken the complement, but here for 1 we taken the complement variable. So in first term all are written as x plus y plus z, but in fourth row I have written x, and for the y and z the value is 1 1, so I have written the complement of y complement plus z complement. In this way we calculate all the max term where the output is 0, and finally multiply all the min terms for which output is 0. So finally we got the canonical POS expression as f x plus y plus z into x plus y bar plus z bar into x bar plus y z bar into x bar y plus y bar plus z. So this is all. That's all for your SOP and POS expression. With this video, I am also sending the notes of question and answer based on SOP and POS. So download it and go through it. So student, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.